Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Smita and this is Olive, and today I'm going to show you some beautiful bottle art. कितने सारे प्लास्टिक के बॉटल्स हमारे घर पे ऐसे ही पड़े हुए रहते हैं, so why don't we convert it into something beautiful that we can use as a home decor. So आज मैं आपको सिखाने वाली हूँ बॉटल हैंगिंग planter. You can hang this bottle and put a plant in it. It will look really beautiful in your balcony. So you can hang different types of plants and different types of bottles colored with different colors. So let's begin. This is a very simple craft and very less things we are going to need. घर के ही चीज़ें लेके हम ये बनाने वाले हैं. So obviously a rope, इसको हम मराठी में सुतड़ी कहते हैं. I don't know what you call in Hindi. Some paint, obviously a bottle, a Fevicol, scissors, some water for the paint, and cotton. So instead of cotton you can also use brush. So let's begin. So today I'm going to use a combination of pink and white. So let's begin by painting. This is a Fanta bottle. You can use any Pepsi, Fanta, Coke, Mirinda, किसी भी बॉटल का यूज़ कर सकते हैं. फेंकते ही है हम बॉटल्स, तो उससे अच्छा कुछ यूज़ ही कर दें हम उस बॉटल्स का. That is why we are doing this. And it will turn out to be really beautiful. आपका balcony बहुत सुंदर लगेगा with this hanging on your balcony. So I'm going to paint it in shades. You can also paint this with a paintbrush, not necessary that you have to paint it with cotton. As you can see, I have completed painting it. So let it sit and dry for a while. So अब ये सूख गया है. So let's take the rope and measure the length of the bottle and double that length and cut it out. Total we have to cut 8 pieces of these. So you just take the rope again and cut 8 pieces out of them. The next step is you take the rope and measure this part of the bottle like this. Cut the rope and tie it very loosely. हल्का सा knot बांधो उसमें. If you are taking this bottle, you can tie this rope over here. Okay? You can tie this rope over here also in this bottle, but I am choosing to tie it over here. So now the 8 pieces which we have cut, उसको double करो, ऐसे double करो and इस रोप के ऐसे नीचे से डालना है एंड उसको ऐसे नॉट में कन्वर्ट करना है. पुल इट. आठ ही रोप्स ऐसे इस नॉट में हमको इस बॉटल पे बांधने हैं. डबल द रोप, पुट इट फ्रॉम beneath this. Open this loop and pull the remaining rope from the loop and tight it off. Now after you have finished tying all the 8 ropes, adjust them. Just adjust them. And the loosely tied knot over here, we are going to tighten it now. Double, triple tie it and cut the remaining thread. So now this is secured. Now again adjust it properly for the final time and tighten these knots if they are loose. Now we are going to start tying these. So take 2 adjacent ropes, split them and tie this into a knot. So you get a triangle over here. Take the next adjacent ropes, split them, and tie these again into a knot. Continue this. Take these two, the next two. So continue this. Next, again you will repeat the procedure. You will take individual strings from adjacent ropes and again you will tie a knot. Now this time it will form a diamond, a rhombus if you want to say. Then again repeat the same with the next one. So you keep on repeating this till you finish all these ones. The second one is over. Now you will move on to the third one. You keep on repeating this pattern till the end of the bottle. So my third one is also done. I will go on to my fourth. So now we are done with the grid. So now we will tie strings to it to hold the bottle up. So I am taking the same rope and I am doubling it. So we are going to tie it to this, the first rope that we tied. We are going to tie it to that. Just put it from beneath that rope and tie it. 2-3 knots you can tie it. And tie the other end to the opposite side and cut off the remaining part. The next step is to tie these ends. So I'm going to use a rubber band. So you just pull these tightly. Twist them and tie a rubber band. So this is done. I have tied it up. So you can leave it at that or you can cover this part up. So I'm just going to cover it up. Take the same rope and start circling it around the mouth of the bottle. Just randomly circle it, no, and you cut it off. Just stick the end nicely and properly. So your bottle hanging is ready. Now we'll just put this in the bottle. So for that we'll need water. We put this in. So here is your bottle hanging for your balcony, or you can hang it anywhere in the house and it looks really pretty. These are the different types of bottle hangings that you can make. Some are of plastic bottles and some are of glass bottles. So whichever is available at your house, you can use that. You can also leave it transparent just like this one. So you have to try this bottle art. 1, it's really easy. 2, it makes your house look beautiful. 3, you can recycle the bottles that you have at home, like the plastic bottles or the glass bottles. We throw it off. So instead of throwing it out, use it in this way. And 4, you need not go and buy stuff for making this. You can make this by using the things that you have available at home. I hope you like this video and meet you in the next video. Bye bye from Olive and me.